Open the app and tap Start. Tap on the green area to collect a touch sample. The app collects a total of 12 touch samples, 3 from each area of the screen. Do not close the app during this process. Tap gently with a single finger, avoid double taps or dragging. If an invalid gesture detected dialog appears, close it and try again. Once all touch samples are collected, the app will calibrate your touch screen and improve its touch response time. Once the calibration is complete, restart the phone to apply the changes.